All right, so this is a 4-term polynomial. I like using the box, which is similar. You do the same thing as grouping, but I don't know. I think it organizes it better than doing the grouping with the parentheses and stuff, but I'll do both ways for you just to show yous. All right, I like the box. Box, box, box. All right, so once I get all my terms in the box, I just go in order. I go, top left and the right one, then the bottom left and the right one. Okay, and then I look at each column and each row. What can I take out of both of those? I can take an X out of both of those. What can I take out of both of those? I could take out a -2, so I could take... Wait, why is it negative? Let's just say 2 for now. What can I take out of both of those? X squared. What can I take out of both of those? 3. Now I double check. Oh, yes, we have some business going on with negatives because look at this. X times +3 is not -3x. And 2 times x squared is not -2x squared. So what do I change? I mean, what would I do? Now if you said make them both negative, you are right. Because a -2 times -3 is a +6. -2 times x squared is a -2x squared. And an x times a -3 is a -3x. Ooh, it works now. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have x squared minus 3 and then x minus 2. No, the order does not matter.
I get this.
Yay, I'm glad you get it. Okay, now what if you didn't like the box? You're like, poop on that box. I don't want to do that stupid box. This is what you do. I love the box. Check it. Group the first 2 terms and group the last 2 terms. What you're trying to do is you're trying to see what you can divide them both by. Kind of the same thing we were doing with the box. All right, I can divide these both by x squared, so I'm going to write x squared, and then I'm going to write what I get when I divide them. What is x to the 3rd divided by x squared? X. What is x or 2x squared divided by x squared? Dos. What can I divide both of those by? A 3. So let's say I did that. Let's say I just divided by a 3. I get a -x plus 2. Now that's a problem because these need to be the same. So instead of taking out a +3, I could take out a -3. And that would change the signs. Now, are my 2 factors there the same? Yes. And so in these parentheses, I can take out this. And I can write x minus 2. And then in those big old parentheses, that's these guys right here, I am left with x squared minus 3, which is the same answer as we got before, except we just did it slightly differently.